Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn how to write in red and blue lines. Now look at Aarti ma'am. You have all learned how to make U pattern. We make a small teeny weeny slant line. This is one small teeny weeny slant line. Then you make a standing line, go straight up, touch the first blue line, come down, make one U, 2U, 3U, 4U, 5U and make a kick. This we call a kick. Now what you do is that when you go and start your U pattern, you sometimes go straight and touch the first blue line and then you make the pattern like this. But the problem here is, children, that we don't want a mountain here. This is looking like a mountain. We don't want this mountain. Some of you, they start like this. You make a small U and then you start making other U's, which is also wrong because we don't want this flying kick here. So for what you have to practice first is you make a teeny weeny slant line from the second blue line and then make one. You practice this first. Teeny weeny slant line and make one. Teeny weeny slant line, make one. Teeny weeny slant line, make one. You should practice this stroke first. And then in the blue lines, we will not touch this red line. We will not touch this red line. We start from the first blue line, make a teeny weeny. See how ma'am is stopping. Why we call teeny weeny? Because it is very, very small. It's teeny weeny. And then you go straight up like a 1. And then you make 1U, 2U, 3U, 4U, 5U and kick. Many of you, sometimes write U like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and then what you do? You put one kick here, which is wrong. We never lift our pencil. And one more thing, we always write horizontally. Horizontally means in the sleeping line for English and Hindi. We write maths like this 1, 2, 3, 4 in a standing line. But English we always write like this. Now you will learn how to make U pattern without lifting the pencil and how to make U pattern horizontally without going crooked. Now what is the meaning of crooked? Crooked is that when we go all teda meda, like we start first from here, then we write here, then we write here and anywhere. It is not like that. So for first line you have a red line to touch. So it is very easy that we touch the red line, make a teeny weeny slant line, make 1U, 2U, 3U, 4U, 5U and kick. But then where to write? Here or here or here? I am confused. So what I will do, I will put my pencil on this small teeny weeny line and then come down straight without drawing a line. Just come down straight and then put a point here and start writing. Teeny weeny slant line, go straight up, 1U, 2U, 3U, 4U, 5U and kick. Then again how to write this one? Should I start from here or should I start from here? No. I will see this teeny mini slant line and then I go down, down, down and then start from here. Teeny mini slant line, 1, 1U, 2U, 3U, 4U, 5U and kick. Same way. Again, this line is very easy to write because we have a standing red line to touch. So this is not a problem. Slant line, go make 1U, 2U, 3, 4, 5 and kick. Now how to write here? Same thing. We'll put our pencil on this line, small teeny mini line, then go straight down, 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 stop on the second blue line and start. Slant line, 1, go down, again go up, 1U, 2U, 3U, 4U, 5U and kick. Again slant line. Remember the tip that I told you? You come straight down, 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 down here. And then slant line. See how small the slant line is. Don't go up. Don't go and touch the blue line. Okay, then you go make 1. Then 1U, 2U, 3U, 4U, 5U and kick. See how neat it is looking? So beautiful, na? Yes. So, happy writing!